This 2-bedroom and 2-bath condo could be your next investment or your own getaway to Lake Hamilton, just minutes away from Central Avenue. Located just off Higdon Ferry. Roof was just replaced this past summer. Complex allows quarterly rentals in this private gated community. Home is coming to the next buyer fully furnished. Beds, refrigerator, decorations on the wall, living and dining rooms, furniture and outdoor furniture that overlooks Lake Hamilton. You'll have a boat slip, and complex has a community room and swimming pool at the point overlooking the lake. See agent remarks.